Hey everybody, Photoman here, back with another video. This is on Arts Commons, formerly Epcor Center for Performing Arts. It is a multi-venue arts center downtown Calgary, and it is also located in the Olympic Plaza Cultural District. The oldest part of the city block that houses Arts Commons is the Burns Building, named after noted Calgarian Pat Burns. It was constructed in 1912. In the late 1970s, the demolition of the Burns Building became a possibility because of the land it was on. But that was defeated and now is part of the large performing arts building. It also contains 6 theaters: the Jack Singer Concert Hall, Max Bell Theater, Martha Cohen Theater, Big Secret Theater, Engineered Air Theater, and Motel Theater. The Olympic Plaza was built in 1988 for the Olympic Winter Games when it was hosted in Calgary. Olympic Plaza serves as a meeting place and an outdoor event area, hosting concerts and festivals. In the wintertime, it is used as a public ice skating rink, being one of very few refrigerated outdoor ice surfaces.